Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to make a Christmas ornament on Zazzle. And this video will be for people who are selling on Zazzle and want to know how to make a template ornament. So in other words, an ornament that you can put like a picture on, say it's like a baby's first Christmas or a couple's first anniversary or whatever it is. You can make a customizable Christmas ornament. So you can change the picture on the front and the customer will be able to change the text on the back too. So anyway, so go to Zazzle and make sure you're signed into your account. I assume you've already made a seller's account on there. If not, make one now and then come back. So we're going to click on these three lines right here and click on create your own. And we're going to go to create now. Then we're going to type in ornament right here. So it's going to take you to a page with all these ornaments. I'm just going to pick the first one. Sorry if you can hear a bunch of noise in the background. My dog will not stop trying to dig in the blankets and make as much noise as possible. Okay, so anyway, it's going to take you to this page where you have this blank ornament here. So first go to click Add Image. And then you can upload an image from your computer. You can use whatever picture you want. Since it's going to be a template, you can go to like Pixabay or one of the public domain sites and pick an ornament, or I mean pick a picture for your ornament on one of those sites. And just a hint, I always leave pick a picture with a little room on top so that the hole's not cutting into the picture. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Okay, so here's my little granddaughter. I guess I'll pick this one. So what I was talking about is right here, there's going to be a hole with a string, and you don't want that going through the person. I probably should have picked a different picture. I forgot they were wearing plastic face masks, so it's kind of leaving a glare on her face. But just for the video tutorial, I'll leave it. So anyway, so you got your picture up there, and you can move it left and right and place it however you want it. Again, make sure that the hole right here isn't going through the person. You can make it larger or smaller. Once you have it how you like it, scroll down on the right hand side and click on Make This a Template Object. So right here, it'll say Image 1. I just put Change in front of it. Change image. You can write whatever you want, but just to let the customer know that they can change this image. So I also click on Fill. That way when the customer puts an image on there, it will automatically fill the whole ornament. Okay, so now we're going to go to the back of the ornament. So click on Layers on the left-hand side, and then click on Back. In here you can put whatever you want. You can put another picture. I'm going to put some text. And I'm just going to put Merry Christmas. And then the year, so people can put the year. But they can change this out. We're going to make this a template too. So Merry Christmas. I'm just going to leave a generic message on there. And you can add a color on the back, or you can just leave it blank. I'm just going to leave it blank right now. And also you can change the fonts over here. Put whatever font you want in there. So we're going to make this a template too. So go over here to Make This a Template Object and click it. And then put Edit Text so the customer knows they can edit the text. And then click on Done. So now you've made an ornament that a customer can customize. So if you go over here, you can see all the different angles of your ornament. And over here you can change the shapes, and do whatever shapes you want. Some have a frame, but then those don't have text on the back. So I'm just going to leave it this circle for now. Or I think I was doing square. Or no, that's it. Okay, that's fine. So anyway, that's what the ornament looks like. So now you just click on sell it. And then in here, put in your title. Click the department that you want it to show up in. And then in your description, make sure you add a lot of keywords. And then this shows the view. If you accidentally have the back view showing, you can click on change options and fix that. So here are events. We're going to go to holidays. And then Christmas. Recipient, I'm going to leave that blank. And then change, or I mean, this is stored categories. We're going to go to Christmas ornaments. You'll have your own stored categories made. And then for tags, we're going to put in some tags. And you can add up to 10 of them. So make sure you add as many as you can. Okay. So anyway, we're going to select G. Sorry, I know I'm going through this fast. And then royalty percentage, I just always have mine at 10. What do you guys always use? Tell me below what you guys have on there. And then just click that you have the right to sell this. And then post it, and that's it. Now you got a Christmas ornament that people can customize. So if you click go there now, you'll be able to see your item, and then make sure you post it on Twitter and Pinterest and all your social media things to get the word out there so people can see your ornament. So that's it. That's a tutorial for today. If you're a customer trying to figure out how to customize an ornament, you don't want to go through all this. Watch the very next video will be about how to do this for a customer using this ornament as a template. So that's it. Thanks. I hope you guys all have a good day and happy Zazzling.